Yo. That's a good cow. Oh my.
Oh bro, you scope.
Bro, you know about that weather?
Yeah?
There's something in this building I'm in that I need to show you guys. And I've just recorded it.
Oh.
And it's about the weather.
You have to show us. Maybe in a normal match.
Will do.
So it ain't risky.
Okay, this is new. Look at the screens are active.
Yeah?
Yeah.
What, like weather screens maybe?
Yeah.
Hmm.
Telling about the temperatures and everything.
What's it
All
saying?
active. Just saying, weather lookout, but it's on another screen. It just says how close the weather's the storm cloud that one I was telling you about. It's getting.
We're scattered. Do you want
Shit.
to die that way?
And it is getting closer, right?